Namaskar friends. In this video we will get know information about Vedic Jyotish means Vedic astrology's formation, identity and history. By the mythology tale from Vishnu Mahapuran, Lord Brahma formed from navel lotus of Lord Mahavishnu. At that time also formed Chaturveda in the hand of Lord Brahma. In the Rigveda, one of the Chaturved, there is have deep knowledge about Vedic Jyotish. Shiksha, Kalpa, Vyakaran, Nirukta, Chanda and Jyotish are the six branches which calls as body parts of Ved. From these parts, Jyotish assumes as eyes of Ved. There is a verse in 7th part of Rigveda where it says as Jyotish is a headdress in 6 parts of Ved like benighted peacock crown from whole his body parts or like benighted gem of serpentine on his head. If he goes to know the meaning of Jyotish, then the word Jyotish is formed from the Sanskrit word Jyotihi. Jyotihi means brightness or light or our stars of the space whom we studies and examines the laws of stars in the space, because of which we calls it as science of Jyotish means Jyotish Shastra. There are 3 parts of Jyotish which calls as 3 skandha of Jyotish, which are Hora, Siddhanta and Sanhita. These skandhas also known as Shakha means branches. Like such, Hora Skandha also known as Jata Skandha. We can forecast from this skandha about good or bad incidences, possibilities or prospects of human life by the help of ascendants, planets and nakshatras of human birth time. We can know from the Siddhanta Skandha about planetary orbits, period, pathways, clear motion and position etc. with the help of mathematics. That's why we also call to Siddhanta Skandha as mathematical skandha. By the help of Sanhita Skandha, we can know possibilities of good or bad impacts on Earth, which happens because of comets, eclipse, planetary rise and sets, and position of stars from our space. Like these 3 skandha, there are more 2 types of astrology. They are Graha Jyotish and Phala Jyotish. To the Graha Jyotish, we also call as astronomy. By the rising and setting every day, all planets, nakshatras and stars stays with us. To their studies we call as astronomy. With the help of this astronomy, so many Vedic sages have wrote in their sagacity knowledge about good or bad possible incidences of people which happens because of planetary or star situation. To this we call as Phala Jyotish means astrology. Evolvement of astrology happens from the Vedic time. One of the leading sage Bhrigu from Saptarushi have wrote Bhrigu Samhita on it. With the help of his divine vision power, he wrote in his Bhrigu Samhita about possible happenings of futures means of Kali Yug's people. Like such, other sages also wrote Nadi Grantha on it, which also popular in South India. Sage Parashar, who also known from Mahabharata time, have wrote Parashari Saraswati on astrology, which now we use for our astrological studies. Like such, students of Sage Parashar, who also knows as Jaimini sages, have formed their new strategy in astrology, which also known as Jaimini Paddhati, is also very popular in so many places. Likewise, so many societies have wrote on astrology which were safe in Nalanda University before the attack of Mughal and Yavan. But because of their attack devastated Nalanda University and so many precious societies have burned in that devastation. After some time, by attracting towards Indian Vedic astrology, some of Mughal and Yavan astrologers have studied deep and researched on it and developed their new strategies on it, like Tajik Paddhati, Lal Kitab etc. Likewise, with time goes, so many developments happens in these strategies. Besides these sagacities on Phala Jyotish, there are also specially popular Pancha Siddhantika sagacities on Siddhanta Skandha. They are Surya Siddhanta, which told to Mayasura by Lord's son, Vashishta Siddhanta of Vashishta sage, Brahma Siddhanta, Romas Siddhanta and Pauli Siddhanta. Besides these, Lilavati Graha Lagavar are also very popular in Siddhanta Skandha. From Phala Jyotish, there are also very popular Brohat Parashari Hora Shastra and Brohat Samhita of Varaha Mihir. Daivajna Kalyan Varma Virachi Saravli, Daivajna Vaidyanath Virachi Jatak Parijat. Alike so many sagacity and also Nadi Granthas are popular for astrological studies. So friends, whatever information I could provide here from my knowledge that I have shared here with you. So please comment in comment box how this information on astrology's formation, identity and history. Also, if you like this video, then please like the video, and if you feel important to share it, then please share it to your friends, family and your known people. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and to press bell icon button for getting notification about new more videos on astrology. Thank you.